everything I sold out. Now just look at me, all my goals with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Ooh, should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go. Why'd you have to show me heaven just to leave me down?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for this video. So I have a quick gold, silver, and black living room tour. So if you've been following me for quite some time, you know this is my most favorite room in our home. I love it because I can change the colors. I can do so much in this space. And I don't have to worry about my family coming in this space because there's no TV in here. I'm gonna start here over in the entryway area here, which is not much going on, which is unusual for me because I'm a Team Too Much person. I only have a gold wall art here on the wall, and it's from Macy's, and you can get your hands on it from Amazon actually, and that's the link that I will be providing if it's available. I have a container here. You can do so much with this container. This container is actually from At Home. I think you can still get your hands on this. I like it because it has a mirror at the bottom, and you can put, vase fillers in here, which is what I have. These vase fillers are actually from Z Gallery. They come in multiple colors, and I've had these for quite some time, and believe it or not, I'm just now using them. And I have a candle here that I actually made. I went to this candle making place here in Houston and made this candle. It was so much fun, and oh my gosh, I wish you guys can smell the candle through the camera. It smells so good. Then I have two benches. You can get your hands on these benches from Amazon. Then I have a ginger jar just sitting over there by its lonesome. I just start to sit it there. And then I have my chain link vase, which is from CB2, and a stand from Home Goods, and these super cute black feathers from Z Gallery. And that ginger jar down there is also from Z Gallery. My entryway table is from Rooms to Go, but they no longer sell it. But believe it or not, you can get your hands on this entryway table from Walmart, and if it's in stock, I will link it. My runner is actually from Amazon. Heading on around this way, since I just talked about the runner, I have the runner and the area rug. Both are from Amazon. The area rug is an 8x10. Love, love, love it. My coffee table. Now, I had this out last year, and I put it away for the holidays so I can get more of the silver tones, because if I had a choice of between gold and silver, I would definitely do the silver. But I'm also loving the gold, so I do have this gold coffee table out in this room, and the coffee table is for a small space. And unfortunately, if you have a small space, you cannot get your hands on this coffee table anymore because it's no longer sold. The end tables are from Homery. If I can find the links, I will place a link to those. My couch is from Rooms to Go, and I very seldomly use these pillows that's on the couch, but these pillows actually came with the couch. The pillow in the middle is from Burlington. The two on the side is from Z Gallery. Moving back to the coffee table, the candle holders here are from Z Gallery, as well as the bigger vase filler here. Then I have some gold rocks, which is from Michael's, and these candles are from Hobby Lobby. My lamps are from Z Gallery. The decorative objects on the end tables are from Burke's Outlet. The wall art is from Burlington. The sconces on the side of the wall art from Z Gallery. All my drapes are from Amazon. The wall art in the middle here actually came in a set of 2, but I'm only using 1 here, and it's from Home Goods. These vases in the middle here, also from Home Goods. Accent table is from Z Gallery. This wingback chair is actually, you can get your hands on it from Wayfair. And this pillow that I have on there is from On Cloud 9. And my fireplace is from Wayfair. I love it because it's a slim fireplace. These vases are from Home Goods. Mirror from Rooms to Go. You know, if you guys are following me on Facebook, now Facebook is a different type of social media. Those people will criticize every single thing that they see. It's either too much or not too much, not enough color, too much color, that's too high, that's too low. I don't like the mirror hung like that. I like the mirror hung the other way. I don't think gray and gold go together. Gray and silver don't go together. That's not too much gray, not enough gray, too much gold. The colors are not matching. I tell you, those people on Facebook are very opinionated, but you know what? I don't even care because I'm all over there on Facebook, because right now Facebook is the place to be for social media influencers. Especially in my case, you know, my views here on YouTube are horrible. So Facebook is paying. So that's where you'll see me at most of the time, over there on Facebook. But going back to what I was stating, this mirror is from Rooms to Go. And I have it hung purposely this way. Now, the options in the back of the mirror, you can hang it just a regular square way, and you can hang it this way because they have the hardware on the corners, you know, in the pointed corners. Then they have the hardware here and here. Now, for now, I'm going to leave it this way because I like it that way. You know, I like to be different, you know, unique or whatever. So I am loving the mirror, you know, hung this diagonal way. You know, some people say it looked like it's falling off or it fell off a nail, you know, but it hasn't. It's actually very secure on a hook over here and a hook over there. So yes, loving that mirror. I fell in love with it. This mirror, I fell in love with the mirror. It was like love at first sight. When I saw it, I knew it was coming home with me. These flowers here are from Pier 1. Pier 1, the store. I haven't shopped at Pier 1 since they're just online because I haven't found anything that I like. These vases are from Home Goods. Is it Home Goods? No, these are from Ross. These are from Ross, and they were $12.99 a piece. Awesome price. And this is like a little mini ellipse vase, and I have some gold face fillers placed inside. So I am not sure what color I'm going to do in here next. I might try to see, I don't know if no other color can go in with this black, gold, and silver and gray. I may need to just change it. You know what will probably go in here with this color? That dark teal. That dark teal would be like a pop of color in here. I might try that before I change it. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to think of another way to revamp my channel, maybe change up a few things. My mind is like, I have some things going on in my mind on what I want to do, but not quite sure on how I want to do it. In the meantime, all my faithful followers, be sure you got your notification bell on so you won't miss any of my videos, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.